You are welcome to Nature Nurture, hub where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge, and beauty. One trailing Disocactus anguliger can turn a simple room into a living, blooming jungle masterpiece. Disocactus anguliger, commonly loved as the fishbone cactus or zigzag cactus, use one of the most unique and visually striking houseplants you can grow in the United States. Unlike traditional cacti, this plant doesn't grow in desert sands or harsh sunlight. Instead, Disocactus anguliger is a tropical, jungle-loving epiphytic cactus that thrives in warm, humid environments and produces breathtaking, night-blooming flowers that smell incredible. For beginners who want something different from ordinary plants, this is a perfect choice. The reason Disocactus anguliger is becoming so popular among indoor plant lovers is its striking shape. The long, flat, zigzag stems are unlike anything else in the houseplant world. They cascade beautifully from hanging baskets, shelves, window areas, or wall planters, creating a dramatic, modern, and organic look that instantly upgrades any space. Even without flowers, the sculptural stems alone make it a powerful decorative plant. To successfully grow Disocactus anguliger, the first step is understanding its natural habitat. This plant is native to the tropical forests of Central America, where it grows on tree branches rather than in soil. That means it prefers bright, indirect light, warm temperatures, and excellent air circulation. In the USA, it grows best as an indoor or shaded outdoor plant. Avoid placing it in harsh, direct sunlight, especially through glass windows, because this can burn its delicate stems. Instead, place it near an east or north-facing window, where it can enjoy filtered sunlight throughout the day. The correct potting mix is extremely important for healthy roots. Disocactus anguliger hates sitting in heavy, wet soil. It needs a loose, well-draining, airy mix. The best option is a blend of potting soil, perlite, orchid bark, and a small amount of peat or cocoa coir. This creates the perfect balance between moisture retention and drainage. A hanging basket with drainage holes is ideal for this plant because it allows extra water to escape quickly and keeps the roots healthy. Watering is one of the most misunderstood parts of growing Disocactus anguliger. While it is a cactus, this plant enjoys more water than typical desert cacti. The correct routine is to water when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feels dry to the touch. During warm months, this may be once every 5 to 7 days, depending on your home's humidity and temperature. During fall and winter, reduce watering to once every 10–14 days. The key rule is never let the plant sit in standing water. Always empty the saucer after watering. Humidity plays a huge role in the health and appearance of Disocactus anguliger. In most homes in the USA, especially in winter, due to heating systems, the air tends to be dry. This can cause the plant's edges to become crispy or dull. To prevent this, lightly mist the plant 2 or 3 times a week or place a small humidifier nearby. Grouping it with other plants also naturally increases surrounding humidity and keeps it happy. Fertilizing this plant helps it grow fuller and produce those magical blooms that make it truly special. From early spring through late summer, feed Disocactus anguliger once a month using a diluted, balanced liquid fertilizer or a cactus-specific blend. Always water the plant slightly before fertilizing to avoid root burn. Stop fertilizing completely in fall and winter when growth naturally slows down. This rest period is actually important for better flowering later. Pruning is simple and beginner-friendly. If your Disocactus anguliger grows too long, uneven, or damaged, you can trim it easily with clean scissors. The best time to prune is in spring. The amazing part is that all healthy cut pieces can be propagated into new plants. Just allow the cutting to dry for 24 to 48 hours, then plant it into a light, draining mix. In a few weeks, roots will form, and you will have a brand new plant. One of the most exciting features of Disocactus anguliger is its large, creamy white, fragrant flowers, which usually bloom at night from late fall to early winter. These blooms can reach 6 to 8 inches in diameter and fill your entire room with a sweet scent. To encourage blooms, provide consistent lighting, slightly cooler nights in fall, and avoid moving the plant too often before bloom time. Common problems with Disocactus anguliger are usually linked to overwatering or low light. Yellowing stems often indicate too much water. Wrinkled or thin stems can mean underwatering. Brown patches usually come from sunburn. Pests such as spider mites and mealybugs can sometimes appear, but they can be easily treated with neem oil or insecticidal soap if caught early. Growing Disocactus anguliger isn't just about decoration. It is about creating a peaceful connection to nature inside your own home. This plant gives beauty, calmness, fresh energy, and even improves indoor air quality. With just a little care and consistency, even a complete beginner can grow a stunning, healthy, and blooming fishbone cactus. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.